Alright, let's go take a ride in the half-done Jeep. I didn't do this side yet because spring came up, had to go to work. But I did this side. Rocker panel and back fender. Ordered a new corner piece, and that just gets glued in, so I actually have a pair of vice grips holding it together temporarily until I get the new corner piece in and glue it up. So, and then I put this on crooked, so I had to replace that. But come on, boy, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. Back seat. Hey, here, back here. Hey, back seat. Good boy. Hang on. So I put the stereo and I showed a video on that, and doesn't open anymore. Makes a beep, but the screen doesn't pop up anymore, so that sucks. It was $100. I don't know if they're gonna take it back or not. My buddy Joe gave me these mirrors. They're awesome. They just kind of go onto the outside hinge, and then when I put the doors on, I just pull that screw nut down, and the mirrors pop off. So but yeah, now we can see behind us. It's great. And he loves it. He's having a blast back there. Then we get to go to the boat. And here we come in. Notice something else though. Here, check it out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can hear universal joint is starting to go on my drive shaft. So upcoming video, yay! So see if we can find a parking spot over here. Oh yeah. And we'll come in. He hates riding in the Jeep. Look at him. Hey. Do you want to go in the boat? Come on. Come on. Come on out. Come on. You got it. What are you doing? Come on, bub. There you go. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? The boat or the beach? Let's go to the beach. Come on. Go to the beach. Come on. So, got in kind of late. That's me there. Got in kind of late for me. I'm usually in March, end of March. You know, latest the first week of April. But this year, I had to do the headliner. Well, not the headliner, the actual coring in the whole bow of the boat. Friggin' nightmare. But I got a couple of videos on that I'm going to put up, either before or after this one, and kind of show you what I'm all up to. So I got the boat in 2 weeks ago. So where are we? May 23rd. So second week of May, end of the first week of May, I think I got it in. And now today being Monday, I was doing the job with a Bobcat and did that 10-part video series on it, and I was doing a job today, and all of a sudden it started running on 3 cylinders and smoking real bad. So I was like, crap, I just figured it was an injector plugged or something like that. And then I checked the oil, and the oil is real jet black, kind of nasty, all carbony and gross. And then I loosened the radiator cap, and it started running on 4 cylinders again and steaming like crazy. So I either cracked the head or blew a head gasket. But my buddy Tim came over today with a pressure tester on the radiator and pressurized the system, and claims to hear it coming out from the head being a gasket. Says if it was a cracked head, he'd pump that thing up and it would hold pressure for a really long time and then drain out really slow. And if it's a head gasket, it just automatically just drains out. And that's what it did. So we're hoping it's a head gasket. And if it is, I'm gonna run up to the Bobcat place and get a new head gasket, and we're gonna do a slip a new one in. I'm not gonna pull the whole motor apart. I'm just gonna do it in the machine. I'm gonna take off the exhaust and the intake, and then the valve cover and the head bolts, and then pull the head up a couple inches, slide the old one out, inspect it to make it sure that it is in fact blown. If it is, I'll just slide a new one in underneath there, put the head back down, and crank it down. I was also told to the head gaskets, the newer head gaskets, crank it down like 5 pounds more than recommended torque specs, and I actually did 3 pounds less than recommended torque specs when I built the motor. So I'm wondering if it's my fault that it happened, or if it's just one of those things that happens. So at any rate, we'll get into that probably Wednesday, like it matters, because I don't know when the video will post, but I'm going to get into that in a couple of days from now and get working. So today we're just going to hang out down here by the boat and try to relax a little bit. Hey, hey, Porter, Porter. Whew, cold, 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 cold. Oh, cold, cold, cold. He's drinking. Oh, no, no, too cold. What are you doing? Go get it. Go get the stick. Go get it. There you go. See it? See it? Go ahead. Go get it. Go on. Good boy. Good boy. It's 6:30, quarter to 7. He's been in the house all day. It's 8 o'clock this morning when I left this morning, so that just sucks. I hate doing that to him. But at least I'd like to get him down here after work and play around. Right, bub? Right? Right? Go. Go on. Hurry up. Give me something to throw. Give me something to throw. Give me something. Go on. Go ahead. Hey, here. Give me that stick. Here, right here. No, no, this one. This one, right there. Yeah, that one. Get it. Okay, good boy. Drop, drop, drop. Good boy. Water's still only 48 degrees, 50 degrees. He's a lab, he can handle frozen water, it's not a big deal. They hunt for ducks and stuff, but he's a big baby, so I don't want him going out too far. Get cold. Good boy, Bob. Good boy. No, 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 no. Ugh, gross. Goose poo. Gross. You're gross. So we'll go and check on the boat. I'll show you the progress I've made with the recoring of the deck. Friggin' nightmare. All right, let's go back to the boat. Oh, freezing. Come on, let's go. Come on. Ouch. Oh, oh. Shot out of a cannon. Come on. Careful. Jesus. Come on, boy. Hey. Go ahead. There's a duck. Oh, babies. It's a good thing he didn't see him. He'd be in. Oh, just two. You on the boat, Art? Knucklehead. Come on, you're soaking wet. Let's go. Come on, get out. Get out of there, goofball. I gotta put up the gate. He's pretty good about staying around, but if I'm not paying attention, he likes to wander. It's a lab thing. So this is his pause aboard ladder. This thing's kind of cool. Folds out, and it hooks to your swim ladder. Stay there. Hey, get back there. Hooks to your swim ladder. That cross piece right there, and it goes out. This part goes against the hull of the boat. The plastic part goes against the hull of the boat. Gives a nice gradual incline down to the water. And so you don't have to haul them up on the boat. Go ahead, get in there. So I just kind of do this over down here, and it kind of keeps them at bay. So let's go see what I did. It's not done yet. Couple things I want to do. We picked out a headliner. I haven't gotten it yet, and oh, my bilge pump. I haven't gotten it yet, and I'm also trying to figure out how I'm gonna put it up. So I temporarily just screwed some lights in, the old lights, to the ceiling, because I'm gonna have new lights. There's 3 on this side, well, 3 on both sides, but I see how these are spaced further apart. I kind of like that idea. I think I'm gonna have 4, so it'll go all the way up to the bow, and then 4 on this side, just space them further out, and then that's good. So I got a layer of matte, no, yeah, what do I got? I know, a layer of woven, a layer of matte, a layer of woven, Nitacore, a layer of woven or matte, and the top of the hull. Yeah, you can see this is the Nitacore junk. I didn't do this whole thing here because it wasn't necessary. The existing hull has some contours in it, and that gives it strength right there. So it wasn't necessary to do all that extra junk along the sides either. So this is all nice and stiff and hard, and you can walk around on it, no big deal. Now, what they did with the previous headliner, you can see this plywood that's all on the perimeter here. The headliner is basically the same material here. It was just stapled to here, and then there was a piece of trim, this piece of trim, this stuff here, so you can open it up and then staple, and then it shuts back out, and so you can't see the staples. They had that stapled all along this edge, all the way around, and then there was a piece that went along that, see that kind of dirty line right there where the old one was, and went down. What I'm thinking of doing is running a piece of, because, well, it's hard to explain, but the old headliner came like this and was, you know, 4 inches below the ceiling. So it's like, you know, a guy like me, 6'5", I don't have headroom. So what I'm thinking of doing is putting another piece of the plywood cleat along in here, stapling headliner to it, and then running a piece of like a 3/4 inch piece of plywood down here. I'll epoxy it in there, and then, you know, staple a little piece of fabric to that, or headliner from here to there, okay? And then from there all the way across to the other side. So this will go up like this to somewhere, you know, somewhere in this area. This will go up there and staple in there, and that'll give a, you know, just a nice transition straight up, and then from there all the way across, and then a seam down the center. So the way you do it is you just bring like a little piece of 1/8 inch plywood, about as wide as this white strip here, and you epoxy it to here, and then you bring the headliner to it, staple it, and then the other side staple it down, and then you just run like a trim piece down the center, and then the same, you know, along the edges. So that's my thoughts. It's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. I still have a little bit of trim work. It's like this has got to get cut off, or else, because this will just poke on the bottom of the headliner. And there's some other junk that I got to take care of, you know, underneath. Just some stuff here. I didn't have what do you call it, cabasil or mouse hair or whatever you call it. So what I did was I just took a piece of mat, and I shredded it, and I put it in a bucket with some resin and mixed it up and kind of made like a paste, and I stuffed it all in here, and I filled all that in, and then all this kind of goes into it. So this corner is like just rock hard. So I'm gonna put a piece of plywood right up in here, all the way down, both sides. And obviously it's got to be lower than this lip, because this goes across, takes a dive down, because above here is a sun pad, so it's kind of sunken in. So that's why you have that lowered area. So anyways, that's kind of where I'm at with this. So right now we're just temporary. It's temporary, but you know, the lights work and stuff, so if we got to get down here at night, we can. And actually I got to turn some AC. There it goes. Cooling. Yeah, because it's 80 degrees down here, and I got the thermostat 69. And this guy, why do you look so sad? That is just a silly face right there. Alright, so waiting for my wife to come down. I'll just have something. Anybody want to buy a boat? I already did all the pain in the ass work down there. Without this, without doing this right here, this was all wood. This is all balsa coring. If you don't look at my other videos of when I did this project, I'll just tell you, this was 2 inches thick right here and 1 inch thick of balsa coring. It was like a sponge, the whole bow. Took 4 giant Glad bags to take it all out of here. Scraped it all out, sanded everything down, and then started doing the layup. But now this boat doesn't have any more wood on it. I don't know why they did it. They do it on some older boats for insulation and junk, but to me it's just stupid. So took it all out, scraped it all down, and now we got a nice solid hard bow again with no coring. Well, no wood coring. I use this stuff. This is called Nitacor. It's a plastic material. It's a plastic honeycomb material. Seems to work really well. So that's what I did. So you want to buy the boat? $40,000. Come and take it. Can't see him. That guy. Another guy over there. It's May 23rd. Signs in the marina. No fishing after May 1st. Nobody gives a crap. I'm not usually that bad about it, but we cut the grass here, and let's say this guy gets a snag. He cuts all his line off and just throws it on the grass. will then run over with the weed whacker or the mower, and all that string gets up in the bearings and destroys them. Because I don't care if they fish, just as long as they pick up after themselves. And I'm finding a lot that don't. Another thing is, I have inboards, so I'm not worried about it, but IO is the same thing. You get a fishing line wrapped around your hub, wrapped around your prop, and it gets right in the bearings. This wrecks the seal, water gets in your outdrive, and then garbage. Somebody's yelling over there. I don't know. So I'm doing my lines here, and out of the corner of my eye, I look down. Look at the size of this freaking northern down here. Look at him. He's gotta be, holy crap, he's gotta be 36, 40 inches. Oh, I hope he doesn't try to bite me. Holy shit. That's a big fish right there. He's 4 feet down. Come on, focus on him. Holy crap, that's big. See him down there, boy? See him? Do you see him down there? He's right there. Look at the size of him. I mean, I know you can't tell from the video because of the depth, but he's 4 feet below me. So his head has gotta be, it's gotta be a little bit wider than my hand. Oh, he's looking up. Don't even think about coming up here, big fella. Whoa. That's a big boy. See my dog's reflection? He's staring at him. That's bad. I don't want my dog swimming in here with that guy swimming around. Yikes. It's probably why there was only 2 little baby ducks over there earlier. He probably got them. So I'm filming that northern that disappeared, unfortunately, because my wife brought him bait. Why are you doing this?
Because this is the only time the cat's ever going to be able to come down here and see where we leave him for. Every weekend.
He looks scared.
He probably is.
Great. Cat on a boat. Wonderful. So let it go. Here, let's shut this.
Oh, you're so wet.
He's swimming.
No, you're not.
Your little buddy's here, boy. Oops, somebody's calling me. cat on the dock. That can't be good for anybody. A black cat on a dock full of boats. He just cursed everybody.
No,
Cat, you want to go swimming?
no, he doesn't.
Check out that northern.
Definitely not.
Hmm? Go get something. Where's your cat? Where's your kitty cat? It's right there. Bring him down to the water. Throw him in.
No.
See what he thinks.
His little heart's beating right out of his chest.
He does. It seems pretty calm now,
He's actually,
face-wise.
he's just definitely like, what the fuck is going on?
Come on, boy. Give me a stick. Hmm? Cold, cold, cold. What? Where are you going? What are you doing? Boy. What are you doing? What? 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 Get out of there. Go get her. Come here. Hey. Come here. Wrong way. Come here. Go, 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 go.
Eden? Maybe it wasn't.
No, they kill people.
Oh, yeah, that was the one that had the
Yes,
baby.
that's your cat.
She was the she. She had
Yeah,
three.
that's
Bull
kitty.
sharks
Sandy's
can
a
live
kitty. Mommy
in
brought me a kitty.
salt water and
fresh.
fresh water.
This is
And
ridiculous.
what's the other one in
So
between?
this is
so
on, this is on the
stupid.
They
Gulf.
go up to Mississippi.
Boy,
This is on the Gulf.
what are we gonna do about
Right
this?
over here, Mom.
This is ridiculous. The dog's afraid of the cat. The cat's on a dock with a leash.
The dog was actually going up to the cat.
The cat's on a dock with a leash.
What did you do Sunday morning? Were you
This
down
guy's telling shark stories. I mean,
there? Oh, so we would come down
ridiculous.
for nothing?
Were you even here?
So I put those are the rearview mirrors on it. Pretty awesome little guys. I like that Jeep. That's cool. Rough country. All rusted. Oh well. It's a Jeep. Get up here. Nope. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, John did not.